Hello, David here, and the project for today is to replace one of these handles. I call it a knob. Honda calls it a grip, handle grip. And one of them was loose and it vibrated off, went on this side. I don't know where it goes. I know it's 8mm. This lawnmower is over 30 years old. It's a model HRA 214 from Honda. So I went to the local hardware store. They have an assortment of knobs. It's about $6.50. I got this thing. Not a perfect match, but it does fit the 8mm screw. And I think it should be pretty serviceable. And this, all this does is it allows the handle to fold down for storage in your shed or garage. And just make sure they're tight and snug before you start using it. Otherwise yours is going to vibrate off as well. I never thought of checking the internet, Amazon or Honda parts for replacement part. Probably would have been better off because this knob is a little bit smaller than the factory knob. So I'm online and I see a part from Amazon. At Amazon you get 2 knobs plus 2 screws for $6.99. And if you look at the knob, it looks very similar to the Honda factory knob. I noticed that the thread size is listed as 7.74mm. Kind of close to 8mm. It's not exactly the same. I would assume it's a fit to the 8mm factory screw. And if you were to buy this and get it doesn't fit, just return it to Amazon. They have a good return policy. Okay, the brand name of these knobs is XND-CNY, name I never heard of before. Must be from communist China. That doesn't mean it's bad, just mean it's not a domestic product. Here's another online source called partstree.com. It appears to be original Honda factory parts. It's got the Honda logo on it anyway, and I'm on the section of the page for the HRA 214 handlebar parts diagram. And if you scroll down, you'll find the knob. You get the knob only, no screw. It's only one knob for $9.49. They call it the grip handle joint upper. And the knob does not look like the original factory knob on my mower. That doesn't mean they haven't updated it to a new design on the newer models. Remember, my mower is over 30 years old. But if you want a Honda part, this is probably a Honda part. It seems like a Honda part number, 53125-VA4-K10. You might want to go this route. I would think that the Amazon product is probably cheaper, plus you'd have a spare in case you lose another one. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.